Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw employer match contributions and verify tax forms. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw employer match contributions, first, check your plan's specific rules regarding withdrawals. Contact your HR department or plan administrator for guidance. Next, confirm your eligibility to withdraw contributions under your employer's plan. Gather all necessary documentation including your account statements and identification. Log into your retirement account online or access the mobile app if available. Navigate to the withdrawal section of your account. Select the option for employer match contributions. Fill out the required forms accurately, ensuring all information is correct. Review your withdrawal request carefully before submitting. Once submitted, wait for confirmation that your withdrawal is being processed. Next, keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your request. After your withdrawal has been approved, you will receive the funds as specified by your plan. To verify your tax forms, log back into your retirement account. Locate the Documents section, which should include tax forms like the 1099-R. Download or print necessary forms for your records. Double-check that all amounts reported are accurate. If you notice any discrepancies, contact your plan administrator immediately. Save copies of these tax forms for future reference and tax filing. Finally, remember to consult a tax professional if you have questions about how these withdrawals may affect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.